help me sneeze.
Are you recording a video?
Yes, because I want to catch myself sneezing.
Think, love.
Ooh.
Think your brothers, you're allergic to them, right?
Yeah.
You're recording yourself.
Thick.
Dude, it's you.
No. I'm thick, okay? Ooh. Did I just say thick? Did I say thick or sick? I think I said thick. I said, I'm thick, okay?
It's fucking. JL keeps telling me that too. Keep forgetting everything. Fucking fabulous or something. I'm like, nope, it's straight up fat and.
Pretty hot and thick? Spell it.
It's like that. Just say it's thick and fabulous. I'm like, no, fat. It's called fat and. What is it? What's the word? Jiggly. Like, jiggle, jiggle. That was so high, too.
What?
It looks so high. You're over here going. Since you Ashley, since you look like. You gonna watch yourself sneeze now?
Yeah.
Bye.